Umphathiswa wemicimibi yezekhaya uGqirha Aaron Motsoaledi ubagxeke kabukhali abanye babemi beli ngokubeka imfuno zabo phambili kwakunye nokwenza izigrogriso zokusa urhulumente weli ezinkundleni ngenxa yokuba bengaboni ngasonye kwimiba ephathelene nokumiswa ngxi kwentshukumo kweli. Umnumzana Motsoaledi uthi abantu kufuneka bafunde kumzekelo kaGqirha Clarence Mini njengoko ebengumntu okhokelisa imfuno zabantu phambili haye zakhe. Motsoaledi ukuthethe oku kwinkonzo yomngcwabo kaGqirha Clarence Mini eRhawutini nosweleke ngenxa yale ntsholongwane yecorona.
Udokotela Clarence Mini nobedume njengesakhamuzi esinentshisekelo ngezwe lakuleli sidlule emhlabeni sithathwa yigciwane iCovid-19. Umnumzana uMini ubeyilunga le-ANC nelayibamba ishisa ngezikhathi zobandlululo. Ungqongqoshe wezindaba zasekhaya udokotela Aaron Motsoaledi uthi igciwane iCovid-19 seliholele ekutheni abanye baziveze ubunjalo babo. Lokhu kuze emva kokuthi kunezigameko lapho uhulumeni eyiswe ezinkantolo ngabathize.
Are those who wake up always angry and make huge demands on the state instead of offering to help? They make demands and put deadlines and threaten the state with fires of legal hell if the state doesn't accede to their demands.
Kanti umndeni kaMini uncome igalelo likangqongqoshe wezempilo udokotela uZwelumkhize ekuzinikeleleni kwakhe ukulwa nalolu bhubhane legciwane.
We appreciate the role that you are playing in this country. You are doing an excellent job. Ziyeke ke zinqeqana that are trying to hear upon your heels. Focus on the good work that you're doing. We know who was with us in the struggle and who was there with us, who fought for the liberation of our people and the restoration of their dignity. So you're doing well. Thank you very much for that.
Umkhize uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi izakhamuzi ziqekelele kakhulu kunakuqala ukugwema ukubhebhetheka kwaleli gciwane.
I want to say to you, Nancy and the family, particularly the children, be strong. After all, this is the necessary conclusion of life. There is no other way. It's just that when it happens, it will always be sad and painful.
Izabelo zabahaqwe yigciwane kanjalo nalaba ababulelwa yilo zikhula usuku nosuku. Ngingusamkele Maseko ezindabeni ze-SABC eGoli.